Hey everyone, it's Mike Bass with Pikes Dream Homes, and the Fed announced they're cutting interest rates by a quarter of a point this past week. The only thing is we only saw interest rates drop a tenth of a point. So I'll explain why here in just a second, but first let's do the market update. There were 515 residential listings that sold in the last 7 days. 368 new ones came onto the market. There were 532 residential listings that went under contract in this past week. Only 26 pre-foreclosures filed down at the trustee's office. And there were 342 price reductions this past week. And then as far as rates are concerned, FHA VAs are at 3.5%, conventional 30s are at 3.9%, and conventional 15s are at 3.625%. So the Fed cuts the rate by a quarter of a point, but we only see a tenth because last week was 3.6. So why is that? Well, a lot of it's got to do with mortgage-backed securities. So when the stock market is up, people are more willing to put their money in volatility and higher payoffs with the stock market. Whereas when the stock market comes down, then all of a sudden that money moves over to mortgage-backed securities, and that's when you see interest rates start lowering. So it's one hand washes the other, but that's probably the best way I can explain it anyways. So what I'm getting at though is we have a perfect storm here. So if you're on the fence about buying a house right now, stop waiting. Figure out how to make that happen because interest rates are still historically low. I mean, 6 months ago, these things were at 4.5. So we're down to 3.5 at this point now. And industry insiders for Colorado Springs are saying that home values will be going up by 10%, anywhere from 8 to 10% over the next year. So if you buy now, you're going to look at home equity growing by 10%. So if you buy a $200,000 house right this second, next year it'll be worth $220,000. So and you'll be up 20 grand by just buying a house that you need to live in anyways. So again, and if you're a home seller or a home owner that's looking to sell, or you're thinking about upsizing or downsizing, home values are up right now and you have a great opportunity to take advantage of low rates. And if you buy a new house when you move, your home value is going to go up the next year. So you're still sitting in a great position. Perfect storm for both buyers and sellers in the market. I hope this information was helpful. I'm Mike Bass with Pikes Peak Dream Homes. If there's anything I can do for you, make sure to give me a call, 719-229-1481. And if you're more comfortable, you can always email me, mikebass@mikebass.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.